தமிழ்ல பேசுறவங்க பேசுங்க.
We, the Hindu Devendra Kula Velala from Tamil Nadu, have gathered here at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi, the capital of our nation, on 17th day of July 2025, to draw the attention of both the central and the state governments on our long-time demand of exclusion of Hindu Devendra Kula Velala from the scheduled caste category. Before I start, we use this opportunity to thank our Honorable Prime Minister Thiru Modi ji, Honorable Home Minister Thiru Amit Shah ji, our Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, and our former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu Thiru Edappadi Palaniswamy, and all the former parliamentary members for having supported us in uniting our 7 subcastes under one historical name, Devendra Kula Velala, and passed the bill for the same in the parliament in the year 2021. We are overwhelmed with unspeakable joy. Following that, this is our second long pending demand of delist of Devendra Kula Velala from the scheduled caste category. This was also discussed in the parliament in the 2021. While talking about a name change, our Prime Minister has spoken very proudly about us in many of his public speeches. He thrilled us by his phrase, "I am Narendra and you are Devendra," which made us delighted. He also has quoted that it's the duty of a true government to fulfill the demand of its citizens if it is fair and within the possible limits. But on the contrary, contradictory and much to the dismay of DKV, our current Tamil Nadu government, in its letter to the President of the Devendra Sinha Foundation in 4/1/2025, has disapproved our demand of exclusion from the SC list, which is quite shocking. We are certain that we have been erroneously included in the SC list during the British Indian government in 1936, based on the recommendations of the then Madras Presidency rulers. It involves various political conspiracies against our community. Hence, we emphasize our state government and the central government for the rectification of the mistakes made by the past governments. We would like to insist here that DKV's claim for exclusion from the SC category is our right to freedom and equality, which comes under the fundamental rights of Indian Constitution. Rejecting our reasonable demand is tantamount to rejecting the Constitution itself. Our Indian Constitution guarantees the fundamental rights to each and every citizen of this nation. It highlights the equality, liberty and justice to all. Accordingly, it's our democratic, social right to get out of this stigmatized SC caste. Moreover, this current system of caste categorization was introduced by the British India government before they left India. Is not the destiny to anyone in this nation. It was initiated by the British Indian Franchise Committee in 1919 as a temporary electoral reform to uplift the then depressed people and to give voting rights to them. We have been unlawfully included in that depressed class by the Madras Presidency, which is grave social injustice to our community. Based on their recommendations, we were categorized in the SC list by British Indian government in 1936. We, the Devendra Kula Velalas, who worship the cows, and we belong to the very ancient Tamil agricultural and warrior community who formed the Marudam River Valley civilization around the world. We are referred in the Tamil Changam literature as Mallars and Kudumbas in epigraphical inscriptions, the Kudumbu or Kudumbi, which was highlighted by our Honorable Prime Minister in one of the occasions of Parliament opening. So we are blessed with the traditional temple frustrated more than 400 major temples in India. We are the descendants of Lord Indra, the king of gods, the lord of thunder, and the Tamil moving the Chera, Chola and the Pandyas. Therefore, it's quite hypocritical to any common man from the country as to how a great dynasty clan would be classified as a depressed community and in the scheduled caste category. In the SCST for 1957 to 58, Mr. Kaka Sahib Kaleko has recommended that scheduled caste list should be scrapped away completely. The advisor committee on the revision of list of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, called the local committee, in its report in the year 1965, also quoted the above Commission's recommendation, saying that this is very important. If the ultimate goal of a caste list or a class of society is to be attained, the list of SC/ST and even of the other backward classes will have to be reduced from year to year and replaced in due course by a list based on the criteria of income cum merit basis. These local committee recommendations have never been implemented by any of the government so far, and unfortunately, this is the very reason why our community is being stigmatized. Still, this is a social injustice to the unfortunate people like us. Our young generations are very intellectual to such an extent that most of them lead us school toppers in their studies. But unfortunately, they are humiliated and face institutional discriminations because of our being in its classification. This is a psychological attack on our emotions. Our protest today is also to express our unwillingness, frustration, pain that we have constantly been deceived for more than a century by various political institutions, though we have always protested oppression from time to time. As long as we continue in this desperate, stigmatized AC category, we would face all these kinds of social discriminations, prejudice, caste-based hate crimes, and atrocities every day. In recent years, we have begun to organize ourselves as a cohesive force to rise and fight for the emancipation of DKV and lead to a dignified life. Our North Indian counterparts, the Kurmi and the Patidas, who belong to our subcaste, they do not belong to the SC list, and so they stand high in their social status. Consequently, we declare on this day of 17th July 2025 that we, the Hindu Devendra Kulavelalas, cannot be listed as scheduled caste anymore. The Constitution explains that the government shall not deny to any person in India equality before the law. Therefore, we humbly request the highest sovereign of the state to press the Tamil Nadu government for our concerns and to exclude us from the current scheduled caste category and to enlist as an open category. Since the Hindu Manu Dharma 1022 says that we, the Mallas or the Viratya Kshatriyas, who undoubtedly falls in the higher hierarchy. This is a Devendra Kulavela's ultimate prayer to the supreme powers, the President, the Prime Minister of the world's largest democracy, India. Jai Devendra! Jai Devendra!